This is Lisa from Iris Hill Art and Yoga.
And this is Sarah from Sarah Guild Floral Design. We have teamed up together to create a free monthly download for you to enjoy. It's a pocket guide.
And we've chosen a flower or a plant every month to help inspire you and find a moment of calm.
Keep watching the video to see how you put it all together. We hope that you enjoy. Press the download button in your email. Then to print. Select print on both sides. Also select fit to printable area. That will make sure that all of the contents is included in your printing. You'll have a little edge. Make sure you cut that off so that you have a clean, straight edge. Now to fold. Fold in half, half again. Fold the pages back on themselves, making sure the imagery is as shown in the video. There you have your pocket guide. It's a small concertina book, and when you open it up in the middle, your inspirational poster is revealed. We hope you enjoy using your pocket guide. Keep it on you for the month ahead. We will have another pocket guide ready for next month for a moment of calm and inspiration.